Dufry's success is not only the result of a solid business model, focused strategy, and impeccable delivery. It is also the result of Dufry's non-negotiable commitment to do business the right way. In today's video, we will look in more detail at the Code of Ethics, Sustainability and Integrity in Business Transactions Policy, also known as the Code of Ethics. The Code of Ethics covers the following topics. Number 1. Compliance with laws. Number 2. The prohibition on bribery. Number 3. Rules regarding gifts. Number 4. Rules regarding charitable contributions. Number 5. Combating harassment. Number 6. Combating discrimination. Number 7. Rules regarding new external partners. Number 8. Reporting suspected violations of corporate policies. And number 9. Sanctions. Number 1. Compliance with applicable laws. The Dufry Group companies, including the Hudson Group, the Nuance Group, and the World Duty Free Group, require all of its employees to behave at all times with honesty, ethics, and within the confines of all applicable laws and regulations. Compliance with laws, ethics, and integrity are essential assets of Dufry. This should be reflected in all its activities. Our business success and reputation depend on the actions of each employee. Therefore, all employees and external partners of the Dufry Group must adhere to the standards set forth in the Code of Ethics. Number 2. The prohibition on bribery. One of the central components of the Code of Ethics is the prohibition on bribery. Dufry prohibits bribery at all times and in any form. But what is bribery? Bribery is the offering or accepting of anything of value by any party in order to obtain an illegal advantage. Examples of illegal advantages are the issuance of permits, or granting of business, or favorable outcome in judicial or legislative proceedings or a tender, or even favorable contractual terms in connection with the sale or purchase of goods or services. Number 3. Rules regarding gifts. When evaluating gifts, each employee should consider the following criteria. Is it made for the right reasons, such as an act of appreciation, friendship, or hospitality? Gift does not place the recipient under any obligation. Gift creates no expectations in the giver. Gift is made openly. Gift is not misrepresented in expense payment or reimbursement requests. Gift is appropriate, both in general business practice as well as local cultural and ethical standard. Gift conforms to the laws of the country where made and any other applicable laws, and gift is infrequently given. Number 4. Rules regarding charitable contributions. The Code of Ethics also requires that all charitable contributions be made in accordance with applicable law and disclosure requirements. Special care should be exercised in reviewing contributions to political persons or parties or organizations in which prominent political figures, their close relatives, friends or business partners are involved. The Compliance Department shall be consulted before making such charitable contribution. Number 5. Combating harassment. Dufry is committed to providing an environment for all its employees free of any physical, verbal, and visual abuse. In particular, sexual harassment is unwelcome conduct of a sexual nature which makes a person feel offended, humiliated, and/or intimidated. It includes situations where a person is asked to engage in sexual activity as a condition of that person's employment or promotion. If you witness any form of harassment, please use any of the number of reporting channels shown later in this video. Number 6. Combating discrimination. Dufry is committed to providing an environment for all its employees which promotes dignity and respect and prohibits unlawful discriminatory practices. Discrimination can occur in many contexts, including recruitment, internal promotions, termination of employment, and compensation determinations, among others. Discrimination based upon race, color, religion, sex, sexual orientation, age, gender identity or gender expression, national origin, political orientation, or disability violates Dufry's policy and core values and will not be tolerated. Number 7. New external partner vetting process. The Code of Ethics requires due diligence be conducted on all new counterparties, such as joint venture partners, consultants for business development projects, and counterparties to M&A transactions. Each new partner needs to provide certain information in the compliance questionnaire, which includes, among others, personal information, including a passport copy for all individuals. In the case of corporate entities, a certificate of incorporation, as well as information on the board of directors, shareholders, and ultimate beneficial owners. New external partners must also disclose whether they are able to influence the decision-making process of any government or representative of any governmental entity. The compliance questionnaire should be completed well in advance of the intended signing date of any agreement with a new external partner. The business person leading the negotiation with the new external partner is responsible that such information is timely collected and communicated to the compliance department. Upon completion of Dufry's compliance questionnaire, Dufry shall carefully evaluate such partners using a risk-based approach. Elements to be taken into account include: what is the reputation of the new external partner? Is the new external partner in a country perceived to have a higher risk of corruption? Can the new external partner influence governmental decisions? Does the new external partner demand unusual forms of payment? Positive answers on any of these criteria indicate a higher degree of scrutiny should be given to the new external partner. Agreements with new external partners, such as shareholders' agreements, consultancy or service agreements, and share purchase agreements, shall contain, among others, specific representations from Dufry's counterparty that it complies with all applicable laws, including anti-bribery laws. The Legal and Governance Department must be involved from the very beginning of any transaction with new external partners to ensure the agreements being negotiated contain these important compliance representations. Number 8. Reporting suspected violations of corporate policies. Dufry offers a number of channels for employees or other third parties to report any suspected violation of any of Dufry's policies, of any laws, or any other wrongdoing. Dufry will preserve the anonymity of whistleblowers and protect them from retaliation for any reporting made in good faith. Reporting can be done through www.dufry-compliance.com by filing a report, through Dufry's hotline, which is available in many languages and free of charge, or through writing an email to compliance@dufry.com. Number 9. Sanctions. Any person found to have violated the Code of Ethics shall face disciplinary action. Depending on the case, this can include dismissal from employment. In the event you have any questions about the Code of Ethics, you may contact us at compliance@dufry.com, or you may visit the General Information tab on the Dufry Gate and select Code of Ethics. Dufry. Doing business the right way.